Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional news video in Canva on your PC using Canva's built-in video editing tools. So first of all, come here on canva.com on your web browser and then simply sign in into your account. Now here on the home page, you just have to select the option of templates, and then in the search bar, you just have to simply search for some of the keywords like breaking news or news videos or video presentation as well. So let's say I've searched for breaking news. So as you can see, after searching for the breaking news term, you are going to see a bunch of different types of templates available over here. So the one that has this type of logo are the ones that are videos. So you can just simply take a look at any of the breaking news format that you like. For example, I liked this one, so I'm just going to simply select it. Then you can click on the option of customize this template, and it is going to open in a new canvas where you can start making changes into it. Other than this, you can scroll down a bit and you are going to see some of the other templates as well. So these are basically the images, whereas if you scroll down, these are the videos. So over here, as you can see, we are inside the canvas where you are going to see this type of timeline. So it is the video that we are seeing, and on top of it, these are the texts and the layouts that we are seeing. So currently the video is of 5 seconds. So what you can do is you can just simply start adding the elements over here. So select the option of elements and then you can search for any of the elements of your choice. For example, let's say I want to search for news, and if I hit enter, you are going to see the videos option. So simply select the option of videos. Now over here you are going to see some of the other news videos, like this particular video itself is of 30 seconds. So you can just simply drag and drop it inside your timeline just like so. If you want to remove this 5-second video, simply select it, then click on the three dots right next to it, and then you can simply delete it from here. And now if you see that our new video is looking something like this. Now in addition to it, you can search for any of the elements of your choice that you want to add inside your video. For example, let's say inside the elements I want to add a blank page. So I can go to the option of let's say shapes, or I can just simply search for rectangle, and then I can just simply add a canvas inside my video, and I can just simply drag and drop it something like this, and then I can basically add text on top of it. So you can just simply double click on the text as well, and you can increase or decrease the layout. You can also change the position. For example, let's say I want to position it something like this, and I don't like these elements, so I'm just going to delete these as well. So now it is looking perfect to me. Now when you are done editing your video, simply click on the option of share on the top right hand corner, then select the option of download and make sure that the MP4 video format is selected here. Afterwards you can adjust the quality. So since I'm using the premium version of Canva, I have the 4K option available as well, but if you are using Canva free version, then you will only see the option of 720p, I guess. So you can change the quality and then click on the option of download, and you can just simply download this video. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.